In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Shein. This simple process only takes a few minutes and can ensure your account stays secure and up to date. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up Google Chrome on your computer. Of course, you can use any preferred web browser, but we'll stick with Chrome for this demonstration since it's one of the most widely used and accessible browsers. Once you're on Chrome, head over to the Shein website. Make sure you're going to the official Shein page to protect yourself from any potential security risks. After reaching the site, look for the login option. This is usually located in the upper right corner of the home page. Enter your current login credentials, your email and password, or perhaps you're already logged in, which makes it even easier to move forward. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings or perhaps the profile section. These sections are typically found by clicking on your account icon or username, usually also in the upper right area of the screen. It's like accessing any social media profile where all your personal information and privacy settings are housed. When you've found your way into your account settings, you're going to need to locate the section that is dedicated to your email information. This is often just labeled as email. Here, you're given the option to edit or update your email address. Now enter the new email address you wish to associate with your Shein account. It's important to double check the spelling and format of your new email to ensure it's typed correctly. Mistakes here could lead to important emails not reaching you, including confirmations and offers that Shein sends out. After entering your new email, don't forget to save your changes. There's usually a Save Changes or Update button right nearby. It's a crucial step as you want Shein to record your new contact information. After saving your changes, it's really important to verify your new email address. This is a standard security measure used by most websites today, designed to make sure that the email change request was legitimate and correctly processed. Check your new email inbox for a confirmation link sent by Shein. It might slip into your spam or promotions folder, so be sure to look there as well if it's not in your primary inbox. Click on that link to confirm the change. Once done, your new email address will officially be linked to your Shein account. Changing your email can be a foundational step for keeping your account secure and your information current. Whether you're doing this for added security or after switching email providers, these steps will ensure your Shein account is updated without a hitch. Thank you for following up. Hope this guide has